part of capital cursive letters writing and learning. Before that, we learned about three groups, group number 1, 2 and 3. In those groups, we learned so many letters, hoping you did practice very well like previous many classes. So if you are still learning a small ABCD, then I will give the link in the description box. You can check out from there because I have made many videos about small cursive letters writing and learning. So let's talk about group number 4. In this group, which letter will be included? So in this group, we'll talk about I, J, U, V and W. We'll see then how can we write all these 5 letters very easily. So before that, I would like to tell you something here that if any parents is watching this video, definitely I would like to give them some suggestion to them that you please don't be impatient while your kids are learning some cursive letters. Yeah, learning anything, you have to keep some patience, and that time you will keep your mind in peace, and your kids will take their own time, take their own pace, and that time they will be able to write any letters properly. And one more important thing that if in starting your kids is writing very slow, yeah, there is some lacking of lines that they are not recognizing, then how can you write all the letters within 3 lines? Then it is okay for them. So most important thing is that they are knowing the pattern, how to write all the letters. You don't need to worry, and you don't need to be some impatient that you should follow lines in starting, because when we will push so much things to them, whatever they are learning right now, they maybe forget all the things. So you have to keep patience, that is most important, and give some pace to your kid and also give some time to your kid and let them write according to their own pace. So now let's talk about how can we write all these letters. So this is the group number 4. Let's see which letters will be in this group number 4. So first one that will be consist in group number 4, that's name is I. You already know. After that there is J, then U. After U there is letter that's name is V, and then in last there will be W. Okay, so all these letters that will be consisting in group number 4. Let's see how can we write all these letters one by one. So first we have to write I. So for making I, we always have to start from second line and go to the first line by making this kind of step, and we'll go to the third line and make one curve. We have to do practice of all these letters many times. As I told you in starting, what is this? This is I. Okay. After that there is one more letter, that name is J. Let's see how can we write the J. We'll start from second line again and come to the last fourth line. So for making J, we have to start from second line, go to the first line, again come to the last fourth line and make a shape like that. Okay. It is quite similar to I, but not exactly. Okay. So this is J. After J, next letter that will be consistent in this group number 4. That's name is U. Let's see how can we write U. For making U, we have to start from third line by making one curve, and again we'll make one curve. Okay. What is this? This is U. After that there is next letter, that's name is V. Let's see how can we write V. For making V, we have to start from second line. We'll go to the first line, again come to the third line and make one line. It is also very easy, something like zigzag shape. In this group, last letter, that's name is W. Let's see how can we write W. Okay, so for making W, we need to start from again third line. We'll go to the first line, we'll come to the third line, Again we'll go to the first line, again we'll come to the third line, and again we'll go to the first line by making one zigzag type of step. Let's see one more time. We'll do practice of this letter many times like our previous letter. As much as we'll do practice, you will get to know all the things properly. So guys, let's do a quick revision for all these letters which we have learned in this group number 4. So first letter that was consisting in group number 4, that's name is I. Okay. Second letter was J. Third letter was U. Fourth letter was V. And last letter was W. Okay. So hoping you have done practice very well like previous all those letters, because as much you will do practice, you will get to know then how can you write all these capital cursive letters. So hoping like previous videos you also like this video. If you have any suggestion and any question, then definitely you can ask me in the comment section. Hoping this video going to be also very much helpful for you. So see you in next video.